Good morning, kids. How are you? Today we are going to start the fourth part of the chapter. It's the fun with the magnet. Okay. And this is the fourth video. And today we will discuss about this activity. This is an activity. With the help of this activity, we can find out the direction. Right? Now see what you have to do for this. The things which are required. These are the first is you need a pen, right? This is a it may be the pen or iron needle, and this is cork and cup water. Now what you have to do, you have to magnetize the iron needle, है ना? And how you will magnetize, I have already told you in the previous video, है ना? This is the iron needle and आपको इस iron needle को क्या करना है, magnetize करना है, इसको magnet बनाना है ना? With the help of the bar magnet आप इसको बार बार rub करिए, then it will convert into a magnet, right? Now you have to insert the magnetized needle through the small piece of the cork, और ये आपने कॉर्क लिए है उसमें आपने ये इंसर्ट करके छोड़ दिए है. Now cup having the water, and now leave the cork in the water and let the cork float in the water. Then make sure that the needle does not touch the water. Okay, the compass is ready to work. Then what will happen after some time, है ना? In starting obviously this will rotate, है ना? This cork will move. Then after some time it will align, it will ये रुक जाएगा, and it will this pin will align itself, है ना? Pin having the cork, sorry, this cork having the pin, it will align itself in a fixed direction, है ना? कुछ देर के बाद ये मूव करना बंद कर देगा या एक ही डायरेक्शन में रुक जाएगा, है ना? Then you can find out this direction will be north south direction, है ना? This direction will be north south direction. With the help of this pen you can find out north south direction, and if you will uh, disturb it, you will disturb this cork, then obviously ये cork disturb होगी, सब में घूमेगी, then after some time it will again, when it will become still, then it will align itself in again in north south direction. Always it will align itself in north south direction, right? Then with the help of this also you can find out where is north south direction, right? Okay, now next is the attraction and repulsion between the magnet. Okay, then see, there are cars. Now see, this is first figure. In this figure these are two cars. This is blue one and having a bar magnet over it, and this is red one having a bar magnet over it. In this condition you can see, suppose this is a north, reddish north pole is shown by red, and bluish, the south pole is shown by blue. Then this is north and this one is south, right? Okay, now see what will happen in case of this car, these two cars. These both are facing to each other, and this is south pole and south pole is facing to north pole. Then in this condition what will happen, these both car will move towards each other. Why? Because north and south, these are the opposite poles, and opposite poles always attract to each other, right? It means both the car will come across, right? Okay, then before that, listen, if it is north and north, then repulsion will be there, ये दोनों दूर दूर भाग जाएंगे. And if it is north and south, then these are the opposite poles, different poles, opposite poles, then they will always attract to each other, right? It means if poles are same, then they will repel, repulsion will take place, and if poles are opposite, then attraction will take place. Then in first case both the car will move towards each other, but in second case, in this case you can see this is north and south, again this one is north and this side is south, both are similar poles, then they will repel each other and both the car will move away, right? Okay, then this was a simple game, है ना? Through this game also we can find out that opposite poles always attract to each other and similar poles they always repel to each other. Are you getting? Okay, what I said to you, opposite poles यानी कि NS they will attract and similar pole they will repel to each other. Okay, Bujo has this question for you. What will happen if the magnet is brought near a compass? If magnet is brought near a compass, okay. Then now see, this is the compass where it is given. This is a compass, है ना? We know this in this compass, the middle one, this needle, this arrow like है ना, having arrow. This is a magnet. Actually, ये जो middle में लगा हुआ है, this is a magnet, है ना? And इस मैग्नेट के पास अगर आप दूसरा मैग्नेट लेके आओगे तो if suppose this is N and this is S, then in this condition what will happen? Vibration will takes place, है ना? ये इसके पास आएगा, ये तो कहीं नहीं जा सकता, बंद है, और ये एक जगह से है ना, पाइवोट सेंटर से ये यहाँ पे जुड़ा हुआ है, तो क्या होगा, इसमें अट्रैक्शन होगा, then this will vibrate. And if you are sorry, this is north, suppose this is north and आप इसका भी north लेके आ रहे हो, then this will create the repulsion, और repulsion से this will strong vibration will be takes place, या फिर ये पूरा घूम सकता है, ये इधर और ये इधर, है ना, साउथ नॉर्थ पोल इधर आ सकता है, साउथ पोल इधर जा सकता है ना, ये ऐसे रोटेशन हो सकता है, इतना ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन हो जाए. एंड अगर आप दूसरा डिफरेंट पोल लेके आए हो तो भी ये वाइब्रेट करेगी एंड इट विल अट्रैक्ट, वाइब्रेशन कॉज होगा, अब क्योंकि एक जगह से अटैच है तो कहीं जाएगी नहीं, बट वाइब्रेशन विल बी देयर. ओके एंड सेम पोल के साथ क्या पूरा का पूरा वो टर्न कर जाएगी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट फ्यू precautions. Okay, you have to complete this table also. Now you can see in this table. Okay, do it yourself. Okay, do it yourself. I have explained the principle behind it. Now do it yourself. Okay, now next is few cautions. Magnet lose their properties if they are heated, है ना? If you heated the magnet, you hammer it. Hammer मतलब beat करना, आप heat कर रहे हो, hammer कर रहे हो. If dropped from some height, then magnet है ना can lose its property. Also the magnet become weak if they are not stored properly. अगर उन्हें सही से ना रखा जाए तब भी वो weak हो सकती हैं. To keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in the pair with their unlike poles on the same side. है ना? They must be separated by a piece of the board, while two pieces of the soft iron should be placed across their end. You can see like this, है ना? Middle one, in the middle this wooden piece is there. And next is this, you can see horseshoe magnet. In horseshoe magnet, while you are storing this, then what you have to do, this is a piece of the soft iron, वो आप यहाँ पे place कर सकते हो, उसके साथ में आप से लगाओगे, right? One should keep for the horseshoe magnet, one should keep a piece of the iron across the poles, right? Keep magnets away from the cassettes, other electronic gadgets, mobile, television, music system, compact disc, and the computers, है ना? You have to keep the magnets away from these all things, right? Otherwise, what will happen? Some problem may occur in it because they also have the magnets in it, है ना? तो problem may occur. And one more thing, patients who have pacemaker fitted in the heart, pacemaker is actually in some heart problem. Pacemaker, this is a small apparatus which is fitted in the heart. Then if a patient having the pacemaker in the heart, they should not undergo security checks where strong magnets are used for this purpose, है ना, जो security gates होते हैं उनके बीच में से आप पास होते हैं ना, तो वहाँ से ऐसे persons को जिनमें pacemaker लगा हुआ है जिनके हार्ट में, उनको वहाँ से पास नहीं होना है, because these strong magnets ये जो स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेट्स है पेस मेकर के फंक्शन को जो है वो बंद कर सकते हैं, या इसमें कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है व्हेन दे विल पास थ्रू इट। इनमें भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, इसलिए अगर प्रॉब्लम आई तो बंदा तो सामने 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 ही चला जाएगा, है ना। हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम जो उसे जिसको सही करने के लिए पेसमेकर लगाया गया था, पेसमेकर ने काम करना बंद किया तो वो तो वहीं चला जाएगा। इसलिए पर्सन दोज हैव द पेसमेकर फिटेड, दे शुड हैव अ सर्टिफिकेट विद दैम। अगर उनको कभी यहाँ से पास होना पड़े तो उन्हें सर्टिफिकेट दिखाना पड़ेगा, और वो फिर उनको यहाँ से छूट मिल जाती है कि वो इसके थ्रू नहीं पास होंगे, ठीक है। उनका फिर मैनुअली चेकिंग होती होगी, है ना। सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स कैन चेक दैम मैनुअली, राइट। ओके, देन दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द मैग्नेट। Now the one more additional topic, that where the magnets are used. Then magnets are used in refrigerator doors and almirah and your boxes also, for the auto shutting doors, right? And next, children often put the magnetic stickers on the refrigerator doors and metal almirahs also. Credit cards, ATM cards, they also have the magnetic strips to store the information, and a computer hard disk that have magnetic head to store the information. Magnets are also used to separate the magnetic material from the mixture, as we discussed in the starting of the chapter, है ना। In junkyard, powerful magnets are used for the attraction, to attract the magnetic material, to lift the magnetic material from the pile of waste. Magnets are also used in the medical diagnosis, MRI. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging. It is a popular technique for scanning the body parts and greatly help in diagnosis. Now next is magnets are also used in the electricity generation, है ना। तो there are so many uses. Magnet have its so many uses. Okay, then now the chapter is finished. Now practical part is there. Then in online class we will discuss about the practical. Thanks for listening me. Thank you.